Hello my beautiful friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. On this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in-betweens. If this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss an upload. I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, good morning, happy Thursday. It's gonna be Thursday when you see this. You have a couple more days for the VIB Sephora sale or the Sephora savings event, so I'm just going to be showing you really quick what I purchased. I didn't go too crazy. The sale ends on the 20th. Okay, so the first thing I like to show you guys is this cleanser here. This is probably my third bottle. This cleanser is so good. When you put it on, it foams up on your face. It's called the Suasu Gentle Cleansing Foam Mousse. Right? It's so good, guys. When you put it on, it I love the way it like suds up on your face, and it leaves your face feeling clean but not like stripped, you know? It feels really good and moisturizing. It's like when you use this, your face feels squeaky clean. Does not dry out your skin like I said, so I had to purchase this one because I've been using something, but you know, this one is one of my favorites. So if you're looking for a great cleanser, I would definitely recommend this one. It's a mild liquid cleanser foam. It's just really good, guys. You just need like a little drop, a little dot, and it foams up, so this will last you for a while. All right, next thing I purchased, I've been seeing the girlies on YouTube with this. This is the One Size Power Melt Glass Setting Spray. So it's supposed to make your face look like you have glass skin, like a filter. So I had to try this. It melts, powder finishes, refreshes, hydrates, and brighten all day makeup wear. Non-comedogenic. I'm just trying to be extra. All right, so this is how she's looking. This is what, 100 ml powder melt glass skin. So it looks kind of milky, so I want to try this, and I will try it. I'll have a video coming up where I'll use it, and I will let you guys know how it feels on my face. All right, the next thing I have, this is the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Serum for Hair Density. Concentrated serum for the hair that makes your hair looks thicker, denser, fuller, all right, and healthier. So I've been seeing this one. I hear this one is comparable to the Beyonce Sacred Drops. So I went to a couple stores before and I couldn't find it, but I was able to find it. So that's what she's looking like. And serum capillary multi-peptide. All right, so I'm gonna be trying this out, guys, on my hair, on the front of my hair, because when I first straightened my hair, I did it a little too much, and my hair, they're shorter in the front here, so I'm going to be putting this on there, and I'll let you guys know how it works, but I'll use it for a while. Okay, all right, check this out. All right, also what I purchased was this Rare Beauty True to Myself Natural Matte Longwear Foundation. I wanted to try this. I've seen a couple reviews and I said, let me try it out. I did go into the store and they tested on my face. So I know Selena Gomez, they have like so many shades with this thing. Like her shades, and that's the bottle. So cute, right? I love her packaging, and it has this here, a little button right here. Hopefully you could see it right here, so you can like turn it off and on so you can pump it out, so you know you don't have to worry about this messing up your, if you travel with it, that would be awesome. So my shade that I got was 36, which is medium deep warm. So You know, I kind of had makeup on when I tried it on. I kind of wiped it off a little bit, but we'll see once, you know, we'll do a wear test. We'll do it, maybe the next video I'll come and let you guys know how I like it. I had to get another pencil from MAC Chestnut. You guys know this pencil. The other one I had was like this. It was so tiny. So, you know, get a little discount. Yeah. I'm not a Rouge member, but my friend Tyra, she always let me use her discount. Thank you, Tai. I appreciate it. So I use her 20%. So I was able to save a little something. Thanks, girl. Always. And I also wanted to try this Sephora Big by Definition Waterproof Mascara. I've seen some people use this one. Volumizing and lash multiplying effects. So it's supposed to make your lashes look like you have a lot more than you do. So that's how the packaging looks. So you guys will see it. Also, I had to purchase another one of these Sephora Lip Plumping Gloss. These are good. I have a couple colors, and I bought number 2 again because the other one that I have was running low. These are good lip gloss, guys. The Sephora brand lip glosses, these are amazing. It makes your lips look nice. It has a little plumping effect, but it's not like too harsh where it's really burning your skin. So number 2 is the one I have, and that's how she looks. I only purchased one. I didn't buy too much, guys. I didn't buy too much at all. All right, the last thing that I'm going to show you guys is this Sephora lipstick here. Hold on, let me see if I can tell you the color. Hold on, guys. Okay, it's called Volcanic Lava. It's like an orangey color. So I figured this would be very cute for the spring and the summer, right? I think this would look nice on my skin tone. And these were like, what, maybe $15? And you know, you get the 30% off. Remember, guys, anything Sephora, you get 30% off. And these cotton pads from the Sephora brand, these are like $4 something, and you get 30% off. I can't tell you how many times I've used these, right? You know how the regular cotton, when you use it, you know, it's all over your face. It's like falling apart. These are, no matter how much products or your toner or whatever you use it with, no matter how much you use it, it's not going to break. So I have backups. I think I have like probably 3 more. So these, if you're looking for some good cotton pads, you know, to clean off your makeup, to apply your toner, you need these in your life. All right. And that is all I have, guys. I didn't go too crazy, and I did get some samples of the YSL Mon Paris perfume. So we're gonna be wearing this probably today. All right, guys, that is all I have for today. I didn't get a lot. There's a few things that I kind of forgot when I went to the store, but I will, you know, I'll let you guys. You know what, guys? My face is set, but let's try this. Let's just put it on. I'm going to work. Let's see. You always want to spray it out first, right? To make sure how it comes out. It doesn't feel too wet. So I have to really check to see how I'm supposed to wear it. But it feels good. I don't know if I'm supposed to press the powder in on my face. I don't know. I think. But that's how my face is looking, guys. I will let you know. I will use it the proper way, and I will let you guys know. But I'm off to work, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm going to make sure I post this for you guys today. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And just like that, guys, we have come to the end of my little Sephora haul. I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you see something you like. Let me know what you're purchasing, you know, for this sale, or let me know what you have purchased for this sale. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be sure to leave the links of everything down below. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.